Traditional Thai.
Yeah, traditional Thai, green beijing, maybe curry, morning glory, Thai name, papu. Finish, you put maybe you like spicy, you put chili. Okay, you don't like spicy, you no so much chili. Okay, garlic. Finish, I use the mushroom sauce and little soy sauce.
Soy and what have we got here?
Coconut oil.
Nice.
Some okay.
Really nice
ingredients. That's why I clean already. Finish. Now I take garlic like that.
Oh, smash.
Yeah. Okay. Garlic or chili. Maybe you like spicy. You cut the chili like that. Okay. You don't like, cannot put. That's okay. Who eat, you eat. Okay. Yeah. Now we start cooking.
So how many chilies?
3.
Not so spicy?
That's one also spicy. Okay, we start. But very easy and very quick. Okay? Now we start cooking. Now you start, yeah? You make it a little bit slowly heat, but not so quickly.
Okay.
But that's why I put coconut oil very small.
Nice. So
yeah.
A low heat.
Yeah, low heat.
A little bit of coconut oil. What
very small, yeah?
Half a tablespoon.
Yeah, half tablespoon. Why? Just only I need just a little bit coconut oil. Only I need a little bit garlic. But sometimes you know you don't want to use the oil. Okay, no problem. But you cannot put. You put together the whole salt and garlic and chili. You make it stir fry. That's it. But now I put a little bit more smell, more better. Make it a little bit garlic, a little bit chili. Okay, a little bit slow, yeah, not so heat. Finish. Garlic, a little bit nice already. I make it more heat.
So you're just sauteing at this stage.
Yeah.
We don't want to cook it. We just want a little bit of heat.
Yeah. Finish. You put 1 tablespoon mustard sauce and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. But sometimes you don't like soy sauce, you put fish salt. That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
But sometimes you don't like soy. You don't want to use the fish sauce or soy sauce. Okay. You put only mustard sauce or oyster sauce, whatever. Yeah.
So normally in traditional Thai cooking, these are the flavors that they use?
Yeah.
Yep.
Use the flavor, maybe something, but normally I think Thai people more use the oyster sauce or mustard sauce.
Sure.
Finish, you know, soybean salt like that. Use it, yes.
Okay.
No soy sauce, soybean. You know, make it. I don't know how to call. Make it fresh soya inside. See orange. I don't know. Yeah, same. Okay, now already a little bit garlic and chili. Okay, I little bit heat. Okay, that's why I put. Yeah. Put. Sometimes have water, but you can take out water. That's okay. Okay, soy sauce. I put 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, finish. You put mustard sauce. Same 1 tablespoon. But sometimes you like more color. You put a little bit bread soy sauce. But here I know use the bread soy sauce. That's why I know put. That's it. That nearly finished. Okay, that's finished. Morning glory, not so much cooking. But a little bit, yeah.
Fast and quick and easy. Now, what would you normally serve this with?
Yeah.
What would you like to have this with? The rice on the side?
Right on the side, but that's it. But sometimes you like mushroom, you put mushroom together, it's okay.
Delicious.
You like maybe chicken, seafood, okay, whatever you use it. That's it.